Greetings from Delhi Public School, Nagpur. Mathematics is a fundamental part of human thought and logic. It is integral to understand the world and ourselves. It is a cradle of all creations without which the world cannot move an inch. Delhi Public School Kamptee Road, Nagpur hosted an inter-school math talk competition on 25th February 2023. The main objective of organizing this math talk was to encourage students to appreciate this subject and discover endless possibilities it holds. The participants were given an opportunity to reflect upon their own self-learning and understanding of maths in the most profound way by being in the authoritarian position over the content they presented. It also enhanced their presentation skills, which are important in the present time. The competition had two categories. The participants of grade 6 to 8 competed against each other in the category called Aryabhata. The second category, named Ramanujan, was for students of grade 9th and 10th. The participant delivered talk on the topics such as Recreational Math, the Amazing Number, Baudhayana Geometry, Vedic Math Algebra. The prize distribution ceremony began with the melodious performance by the school choirs. A delightful dance performance was presented by the students of grade 7th of Delhi Public School, Nagpur. The winners of the competition were awarded certificates and medals for their outstanding performances. The chief guest of the event, Mr. Naurem Roshni Kumar Singh, Assistant Account Officer, Doordarshan Nagpur, addressed the gathering and encouraged all the participants to continue exploring the possibilities of mathematics, which is essential for the future success of our country. Principal Ms. Ritu Sharma encouraged the participant to excel in the field of mathematics by developing the capacity and thinking skill required for the subject. The judge had a tough time deciding the winners as the participants put their best foot forward. The competition brought out new dimensions to the learning mathematics. It helped the participant to identify their capabilities and expand their knowledge.